Hi, I'm Matilda and I'm a certified clinical aromatherapist. I'm also a trainer for internationally accredited aromatherapy courses. So if you would like to pursue aromatherapy professionally or would like to deepen your knowledge in this area, do check out my link in the description down below to find out more about the courses that I teach. This channel is set up to empower women in health and wealth. So if you are interested in the topics that I'm sharing, do subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified of all future videos. Today, I'm going to share with you what are some of my top 19 essential oil recommendations for creating a great smelling home. One of the things you first notice when you step into your home or when visiting someone's home is how it smells. And I can tell you how important it is to have a great smelling home because if it smells pleasant, it usually sets the stage for you to feel more relaxed and inclined to hang around a little longer. If it doesn't smell that great, you'd start wondering what's going on in here and might even feel uneasy. I have moved house for 7 to 8 times in my life, hence I've been viewing different apartments and houses since young. Some homes are just so cozy and inviting, while some just makes you want to just get out as soon as possible. Have you ever experienced going house hunting and when you step into one of the house, it just smells terrible or even reek of stale cigarette smoke that just makes you want to puke? Sometime last year in June, when we were under lockdown and just opening up, I had to look for a new tenant. That was really one of the worst times ever looking for tenants as no new expats are coming in. Even though my apartment is right smack in town and just 3 minutes walk to the metro station, there were just too many units available for rent and not enough tenants coming in due to the lockdown. While most owners are simply slashing rents and cutting costs, hoping to find a tenant, I invested in my unit instead. I changed new furniture and made sure my unit smells great. Whenever I have a new viewing, I made sure that my unit is clean and diffused essential oils that smell great. Depending on whether the prospective tenant is male or female, I diffuse a different scent. Generally, for males or couples, diffusing a citrus oil will be great as it's gender neutral in aroma and it's also uplifting. If it's a female, I might diffuse something more floral or a blend that balances emotions. Thankfully, after looking for 3 to 4 months, I managed to find a tenant who loves essential oils too and paid me the same rent as my previous tenant. She loves staying in my place that she even renewed the lease. Whereas on the other hand, I have neighbors with the exact same unit layout as mine, still looking for tenant 1 year later. So you see, you can have the same exact unit in the same location with the same layout, but because one has better and newer furnishings and smells great, it gets rented out faster. So what are some of the essential oils you can use to make your home smell great? Let's start with the living room of the house. For the living room, I like diffusing citrusy oils like bergamot or orange. They are both happy oils that uplift the mood. Bergamot may help to relieve anxiety, depression, stress, and tension as well. It also helps to expand and open the heart chakra to radiate love energy. Orange is also calming and brings joy to the heart. It will be best to use an ultrasonic diffuser in the living room to diffuse these oils. If you have a carpet or fabric curtains, you can also cleanse and infuse them with essential oils mixed with baking soda. You can take a cup of baking soda and add 10 drops of the essential oils into it, mix well, and then pour some of this powder onto your carpet and fabrics in the living room. Gently wipe the powder off after 20 minutes. You can also vacuum the powder away. The rest of it would have seeped into the fabrics and aroma will still stay for a few days, keeping the living room smelling nice. The baking soda helps to clean your carpet and fabrics too. When mopping the floor, you can also add 5 to 10 drops of lime essential oil to a pail of water for your final rinse to cleanse the energy in your house. You may also diffuse lime essential oil in the living room to get rid of any negative energy. During certain seasons of the year where there are more insects, and especially if you live near nature, you may wish to diffuse more of lemongrass, citronella, rosemary, or eucalyptus essential oils as they help to repel insects. Moving on to the kitchen, one of the places that may smell is the fridge. What you can do is take a cotton ball and add a few drops of citrus essential oils, or lemongrass essential oil, or tea tree, or any essential oil blend that you like and leave it in the fridge. It will smell great the next day. You can also clean stubborn stains on your pots and pans with baking soda, vinegar, and lemon essential oil. And if you want your kitchen to smell even better, here's a little trick. You can buy one of these portable wooden diffusers, add a few drops of peppermint essential oil, rosemary essential oil, lemongrass essential oil, or eucalyptus essential oil. Place these little wooden diffusers near door openings and at corners of the kitchen and near the dustbin. This doesn't just keep your kitchen smelling great, but keeps insects away too. If you'd like to purchase these very handy wooden diffusers, check out the link in the description down below. You can also hang a towel with a few drops of these essential oils on the kitchen door handle so that when the wind blows, you will smell a nice aroma too. Another place that you definitely want to improve the smell is your shoe cabinet. I love using a blend of citronella, lemongrass, rosemary, tea tree, lavender, and myrtle to add to either cotton balls and stuff it into the shoes, or you can also add these oils to the wooden diffuser I mentioned earlier and put them in your shoe cabinet. That will definitely make your shoes and cabinet smell great. Similarly, instead of using mothballs that are toxic in your wardrobe and drawers, I'd recommend you add your favorite essential oils to one of these wooden diffusers and leave it inside your wardrobe and drawers. Some essential oils that you can use are lavender, geranium, bergamot, grand fir, and pine. You can make a room spray or a linen spray with these essential oils for your bedroom too. I love diffusing these oils when I sleep as well. For sleep, diffusing frankincense with lemon or cedarwood with lavender are some of my favorite options. If you'd like to find out more about what essential oils you can diffuse for sleep, do check out my other video on what essential oils to use for sleep in the link above and in the description box down below. On the other hand, in the study room or home office area, when I need to stay awake and focused, I love diffusing peppermint, rosemary, bergamot, lemon, and grand fir. Last but not least, one of the places in the house that we definitely need to clean well and have it smell great is the bathroom. We need to be very careful of molds in the bathroom as it is wet and moist. To get rid of molds or to prevent molds from forming, a blend made up of clove, lemon, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary is super effective. You can make a DIY scrub with baking soda, vinegar, and these essential oils to clean the bathroom walls, or simply drip some of these essential oils into the inner cardboard of your toilet roll to keep the area smelling nice and fresh. You can also make a spray with some of these essential oils and leave it in the bathroom. If you like what I've just shared, do smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified of all future videos. That's all I have to share today. I really appreciate you being here today, so if you like this video, do smash the like button and share it with your friends. Have a good day and a great week ahead, and don't forget to check out my other videos.